Today I'm going to show you how to make a creamy Parmigiano Risotto. Let's get started. For this recipe you'll need some Arborio rice, extra virgin olive oil, chopped shallots, about 3 tablespoons of butter, Parmigiano Reggiano, and a wooden spoon. And last but not least, 3 cups of chicken stock. In a heated saute pan, add your extra virgin olive oil, chopped shallots. You want to let them cook for just a little bit. Add your Arborio rice. Coat the rice with the olive oil. And then we'll deglaze it with the chicken stock. And you'll need to continue to stir and add chicken stock for about 20 to 25 minutes. Over the last 20 minutes, I've added about 2 cups of chicken stock and kept on stirring. Now we're ready to add our butter and our Parmigiano. Now that risotto is perfect, we're going to plate it up and we're going to garnish it with some Parmigiano Reggiano and some extra virgin olive oil. Buon appetito.